Positive Reinforcement by Paige Grease. Let's begin on how positive reinforcement came to be. Back in the day, there was this guy who first described positive reinforcement in his theory, operant conditioning, that he based off the work of Edward Thorndike. Just a side note, he was also a professor at University of Minnesota for some time. Anyways, his name was B.F. Skinner. Enough about him though, and more on his theory, operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is a type of learning where behavior is controlled by consequences. Key concepts of this theory include positive punishment, negative reinforcement, and, of course, positive reinforcement. So you are probably wondering what positive reinforcement is. If you're taking notes, you should write this down. Positive reinforcement is a reward following a desired behavior. Pretty simple definition for this complex idea, so let me expand on that. A different definition that you don't need to write down is that positive reinforcement is a stimulus which increases the frequency of a particular behavior by using pleasure. So that basically means you can increase good behavior by adding rewards. Now, let me show you some examples of this. So here's a student and he does his homework. He gets an A+. His parents decide that every time he gets an A, he's going to get $10. That's the positive reinforcement. So he gets another A, he gets more money. He continues to get A's in return for money. That's how positive reinforcement works. It favors him by getting money and it favors his parents by getting A's. Good behavior leads to rewards, which will motivate more good behavior, which will lead to more rewards and more good behavior, and soon enough that good behavior may become habitual, and rewards will not be needed to continue it because the prior behavior would be lost.
Wow!
So positive reinforcement can be so powerful that the end result can end up being a permanent alter in behavior. That's pretty scary due to the fact that you are basically changing a person in your favor. You could almost call it brainwashing.